How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to make your neck veins visible. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So first exercise we're going to go like this. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to go like this. Look all the way down and then look all the way up, all the way down. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do circles again. These are called neck circles. These are really good. Perfect. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.